Hello friends, this is Mudassir Aryan and you are watching Study Circle Kashmir. This is our third video on our new lecture series on MCQs on computers. Today we will discuss some very important MCQs from the topic file extensions. From this topic, in every exam, at least one or two questions are asked. For our other previous videos, the link is given in the description. Do check that as well. Today's first question is, what is meaning of .mng? MNG means multiple image network graphic. It is a graphics file format for animated images and it was published in 2009. What is extension of Microsoft Word document? And for Microsoft Word document, file extension is .doc. What is meaning of .rtf file? It means rich text format and it is a document file format developed by Microsoft Corporation and initially released in 1987. What is extension of plain text file? And its correct answer is .txt. What is meaning of .wpd file? It means Word Perfect Document. What is extension of zipped file? And its answer is .zip. What is extension of database file? Answer is .db. What is extension of PowerPoint presentation of file? And its answer is .ppt. PowerPoint presentation was created by Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin, and it was also developed by Microsoft Corporation in 1987. BMP extension is of which file? And its answer is bitmap image file. Thank you friends. For more file extensions, download the link from the description. Do not give up. Work hard for upcoming exams. All the best. Take care.